Presenting a pre-owned 2003 GMC Sierra 1500. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 78,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, and has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include CD player, automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, and power windows.